Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. Right back at it. Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. It's time to blast off to the moon like how we always do about this time. So yo, I need you to do me one quick solid though before we take off. Smash on the like, subscribe button right now, because we about to get into this credit game for the goons all over the states, all 50 states. You heard? From Alaska to California, Nevada, every single place, Virginia, New York, what up? All my goons, Kansas City, what up? Everywhere across the map, aight? Illinois, holla at your boy. You dig? Hey yo, look, now I'm gonna teach you goons how to get business credit. So we're gonna start a company. This is part 3, alright? Part 3 for all the goons to blast off with a corp, and you can get that big funded, big credit lines, all that. That's what we here for. That's what you pulled up for. So yo, this is part 3, alright? So before we get started, let's just go a recap. Alright, so we're gonna go to northwestregisteredagent.com. That's the site, alright? That's the site, you already know. And we're gonna start a new LLC. Alright, that's the move. To start a brand new LLC. And you're gonna get, this is gonna cost you $40 to set it up. You already know. And like I said, hey, mine's out of Wyoming, so it was like $140, you know, to get that going. So now this is step 3. So you've already seen the previous videos, and if you haven't, go all the way back to part 1. Alright, then watch part 2, then watch this one, part 3, my goon. Got it? Got it. Okay. Name your LLC. All right, you did that. You know, you got your registered agent. You did that. You set up your business. You got all your articles of organization. You're all set up. All your paperwork is set up. Okay, that was step 1. We already did all that. So in step 2, get your EIN. Okay, your employee identification number. This is basically your social security number for your business. All right, so you can go get bank accounts and credit cards and business loans. All right, that was the next part for step 2. And then, you know, your operating agreement, that's all your paperwork. You do that on step 1, all right? And so you got to file a BOI, Beneficial Ownership Information Report, you know, so that's pretty much so the government can know that you have a company. This is brand new. You know, they just started this. So you got really 30 days to file this now for 2025. This is some new shit. You know, so it was not existing, but they started this in 2024, all right? So you got to do it. So this is part 2. I showed you goons how to do it step by step. It's real easy. You just click the site, and then boom, 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 takes you straight there, and that's how that works. Bow, bow, bow. Now we did that. So I'm assuming all you goons followed along, and you did all of that stuff. So now we're going to the next step, all right? Step 3. So you have all your paperwork is lined up. All your stuff is ready to go. Everything looks good. You have your site. You have your phone number. You have your email. You have every single thing you need right here to run a whole company at registered Northwest Registered Agent. You have every single thing. You know, you got your domain, you got your website, okay, you got all that stuff. You got all this, your whole business identity. You got all of this. You got your website domain, you got your business website, you got your business phone number, your business email. Okay, you have all that. Business address, you got a virtual address with the lease agreement. You have all this stuff, all right? Cost you $50. Yeah, pretty much to run the company. $50 a month to run a company. And you get 90 days, as you can see. 90 days free trial. So you started here. All right, got that out the way. All right, cool. Everybody's caught up? Bet. We're all caught up. Now, step 3. You're going to go to the site. List yourself. All right? That's the site. Listyourself.net. And on listyourself.net, my goons, what you're going to do is list yourself in 411 directory. All right? Listyourself.net is designed to help you in your business get your phone number listed in 411 directory assistance. So you got to do this so that the banks can find you. All right, you know, the banks and lenders, they're gonna pull up your information. You know, they want to Google your business, and it has to pull up. You know, it has to come up. You know, phone number has to come up, website has to come up, and it will. Okay, straight like that. So once you do that, your stuff is gonna pull up, it's gonna come up and show that you're a real business, you're a real company. All right. So, one-stop shop, Method Solutions LLC is my company I built. All right. So, what we do? We do all credit, everything credit. That's what we got going. And so all you got to do is just type it in Google and it pops up. Phone number pops up, email, every single thing. Boom, 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 blah, blah, blah. We get results. We get it cracking. We got action. We got credit sweeps. We got trade lines. Whatever you need to get your credit blasted off so you're successful, prosperous. Get 100 racks credit, 200 racks credit, 500 racks credit. We're going to help you. All that and then some. All right. So that's why you got to go here and list yourself so you can be found on the internet. All right. That is the next step. All right. So now you got to get a bank account. It's time to get funded. So once you've done this, you just want to go to right here, get listed in directory assistance for free. All right. Click over here and you just put in your information. It's real easy to do, my girl. Real easy to do. You put in your name, blah, 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 all your information, remember your, whole LLC, blah, 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 boom, boom, boom. That's how it goes. Just go to add listing. All right, go to add listing. You got all your information put in, and there it is, like that, straight like that. You're in 411, and now you can be found. So now the next step is for you to get bank account. All right, so you're gonna go to nav.com. All right, nav.com, where you build business credit. You're gonna build a lot of this, and at nav.com. You're going to start here. You get a free checking account. All right, you're going to get free checking account right here at nav.com. And it's really easy to do. Nav is great. I could do a whole video about Nav, all the great things they offer. All right. And so they got business. You just go to products, business bank account. They have a business checking, so you just click business checking, and it's easy to set up. Nav helps you build business credit. They got charge card, the Nav, and it's a trade line. So you get 2 trade lines with Nav, and I'll do a whole video about it. But Nav, start with Nav, all right? You get 2 trade lines because you got to get net 30 trade lines, all right? So you can get your business credit growing, all right? This is the first step, and you got to get your bank account, all right? Now I got 4 business bank accounts, so I started with Nav, and as you see, you start with Nav. They will help you get credit. Marketplace, they got marketplace, business loans, credit cards. Pretty much you can get, all your credit for your business over here at Nav. You can just get all kind of, American Express, all Bank of America, and you can learn all about all the different banks and lenders that'll help you out, all the pros and cons and all that. All right. So you start with Nav, all right, to get your check-in for free. All right, and start right here. Now, the next one I recommend PayPal. Now, everybody uses PayPal because you want to use PayPal. PayPal accepts money all over the world. You're going to send money. You're going to receive money. You're going to get money because we're all about getting money. Y'all the goals going to blast off with money. That's the whole point of doing this, so we can get some money. So, pull up, smash that like and subscribe button while we at it. All right, my goals, show some love. Come on, we got to blast off over here. All right, come on now. Let's get busy. So, hey, you're going to hit PayPal, get a business checking account. All right, all you got to do, as you can see, is just to get considered, get a PayPal debit MasterCard. Just be a customer of PayPal, or just open up a brand new PayPal business account. Okay, sign up for free. So you boom, 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 sign up for free. Pow, pow, pow. That's how you do that. How you like me now, my goals. PayPal, create that account. Boom. Really easy to do. Real simple. All right. That's what you're gonna do. So PayPal is great because PayPal gives credit. Look, you just hit small business. They have all kind of business loans. They have all kind of working capital loans. PayPal will give you 100 racks of credit. Fast funding. PayPal gives you credit. If you're approved, man, you can get a bag with some PayPal. So PayPal will help you out. So PayPal is good. That's why you apply for a business loan, get you some funding. All kind of different amounts. I believe they give up to like 150,000, 200,000. Look, PayPal working capital up to $300,000 loans, my goals. Come on, so 300,000 from PayPal up to 150,000. So there it is, right there. You can get working capital and a PayPal business loan. That could be 450,000 right here, just off PayPal alone. So as you can see, eligibility. So as you can see, you want to go to PayPal. All right, so you're gonna go to PayPal, get you a free business account with PayPal. All right, bet. Next place we gonna go to, Novo. Okay, .co. Straight like that. Novo.co. No M. Okay, .co. So Novo.co, and you're gonna get a free business account. Straight like that. They get a checking account. Novo, easy to get. No problemo. You just put in your information, your EIN, all your business information, and they all work the same. Novo, I got this one. This was the first one I got. It was really easy to get, real quick, real simple. Because once you got your EIN, once you got all your paperwork lined up, you got your website, they're going to check for all that. They're going to ask you for your website, your phone number, your business information, your EIN, and once everything lines up as it should, within 24 hours, you're going to get all the stuff. They offer credit. As you can see, they got credit cards and they got funded. Now, I haven't applied for no credit at all with any of these banks or lenders yet because I'm growing my account up. Okay, I got trade lines and I'm growing my stuff. And when it's time for me to ask for credit, I plan to get it for sure. So I already got lines hitting. So we just got to keep it growing and keep it, in motion in the proper direction so we can just get that bag, no question, all right? That's what you want to do. You want to make sure you won't get the bag, all right? And so don't be thirsty for credit, and it will come straight like that. So we're going to go to Novo and get a business credit card, and Novo is good. It integrates with all kind of different sites and whatnot. As you can see, integration right there. And so it shows you they integrate with all kind of different sites and all kind of platforms. So Square, Amazon, Stripe, Novo is good, muggers. Novo is out here making things happen. So rock with Novo. So Novo, that is Fiverr, Stripe, okay, all kind of stuff Novo rocks with. So with Novo to get a business credit card bank account. All right, now this is the next one I got. This is the fourth one, so that's 3. And I got all of these pretty much off rip. As soon as I applied, I approved. I got approved. As soon as I applied, I got approved. No problem, because once your paperwork is in order, once your paperwork is straight, you can get this stuff. Oh, and by the way, you don't got to put no money in. Okay, I'm talking about, $5. Okay, I think I put like $1 in this Novo, and that was it. All right, $5. Next one you want to go to. This one took a little bit of more energy to get, but it was well worth it. Amex, American Express. Now, there's a little bit more energy involved to get into the Amex, okay, but I got an Amex account for business. They do business banking, okay? So you want to get a business bank account at Amex, all right? So business checking, business line of credit. So just get a business checking. It's free to get, my goons, for Amex, So I got the same card, Amex, yep, that's how it looks like. On the app, has an app, it's official, 100% official, baby, it's Amex. The Amex is the top of the line of lenders, okay? Everybody knows Amex, and Amex is the top of the line. They're not playing, they give huge credit lines. So you put $500K in an Amex account, that's what they're expecting you to drop, So Amex is top of the line, and, as you see, so you want to build a relationship with Amex, so I put $10 in my account just to start it up, so straight like that. But as you see, they have business credit cards. View all business credit cards, and Amex, you can really run up a bag. Amex, they specialize in business credit. Okay, they got the business platinum card. They have just a ton of cards. And I talked to the rep on the phone, right? I spoke to the rep. They got the blue cash, they got the gold one, the silver, platinum, all that. So I talked to the rep, and they was like, yo, you can have multiple Amex cards. They said you can have like 5 or 6 cards, more than that, maybe like 9 cards you can get. So you can have multiple Amex cards. They have so much different products. So Amex, you want to get your foot in the door with Amex. So Amex, top of the line, top of the list, business bank accounts. Start with these right here. This is what I started with, because you want multiple bank accounts. The more bank accounts you got, the more of a relationship you're going to have for banking to get credit, all right? You want more banking relationships, all right? Because they all offer credit. That's the thing about it. You're trying to get as much business credit as possible, and they all offer credit. Now look, there's no impact to your personal credit score to see if you're approved, so you can get pre-approved. Now, like I said, I haven't pulled the trigger yet on any of these business credit cards because it's not time yet. It's not time. We're going to season it up. We got tradeline seasoning, and I'll probably make a part 4 video to this about tradeline. So that's the next video. That's the next step. All right, that's step 4, tradelines, but this is step 3. So I need all my goals to go to list yourself 411. All right, for step 3, before you do anything, go list yourself 411. Directory listings. That is what you're going to do. Okay, list yourself. All right, just for a recap, list yourself first. It's free, as you can see. Directory assistance, both free. And then after that, you're gonna start opening a business bank accounts. Boom, business bank account. We got Nav, we got PayPal, we got Novo, and there's more than this too, you know. And then Amex. This is just the 4 I did off rip, and I got approved for all of them. You know, I'll probably do more, but this is just to get, you know, the goons in motion so you can be set up, have your business all set up, and then now you are able to start getting trade lines. And when you start getting trade lines, then it's going to grow your credit score for your business. And once you start growing your business credit score, you can start getting credit straight like that. That's how that works. Now you can go to Marketplace on Nav. Just hit Nav, go to Marketplace. All right, right there at the top, Marketplace, my goon. Easy to do. Then look, all these different bank accounts: Novo, Lily, Found, American Express, Chase, you know, Bank of America, and there's more than that too. But you know, we just had to, and they give you the pros and the cons and whatnot. But like I said, you just gotta get started, and this is how you build a company so you can blast off straight like that. So yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. She knows what to do. We'll pull up. Woo! Smiling at that goon, yeah, that pretty face. She'll get laced, you heard? So yo, like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know what it do. You know who. Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. And we gonna help all the goons grow their business, you heard? That's what we do. So yo, you want that exclusive sauce to do credit sweeps, so you can credit sweep any credit profile, okay? 7 days, okay? You can take your bad credit, turn it into good credit, have a high credit score, and get approved for all the credit. You can start a credit repair company, and you're gonna get a lot of credit, okay? You can start getting a lot of money, okay? Shit like that. You need that sauce. Nobody got that sauce for the price like I got it. $500. I give you all the sauce, all the gems, all the games, all the methods, like I always do. This is my free sauce. I'm killing y'all goons with the free sauce, and you know it. So imagine what that paid sauce is hitting for, right? So yo, $500. I will even teach you how to get authorized using trade lines, $50 trade lines, and you can mark up the price of the trade lines, big lines. You get trade lines with long age and high credit line. All that, then some, then more. Credit building, how to build up a strong profile. I'll teach you all that. You get 100 racks of credit and more. You already did it, and we're going to do it again. This time, we're going for $1 million in credit, you heard? And so pull up. You know what to do. Like, subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, too, at Spontaneous Productions. Till next time, my goons, we out. Peace.